Hi, I'm Isaiah, Service Advisor here at Crosby Volkswagen. As the seasons change, it's important to make sure your car is equipped with the right type of tires for the road conditions. In this video, we'll be discussing when it's best to swap your winter tires for summer or all-season tires. As a general rule, you should switch your tires when the temperature consistently stays above 7 degrees, but let's dive into why that's important. Why switch tires? Winter tires are designed to perform best in cold temperatures, icy conditions, and snowy weather. They have a unique tread pattern and rubber compound that provides better traction and grip on winter roads. However, when the temperature starts to rise and the roads become dry and clear, winter tires can actually be less effective and wear out faster. This is where summer or all-season tires comes into play. Summer tires are designed specifically for warm weather conditions. They have a different tread pattern and rubber compound that provides better handling, traction, and braking on both hot and wet roads in warmer conditions. All-season tires, as the name suggests, are designed to perform well in a variety of weather conditions, including light snow and rain. They strike a balance between winter and summer tires, providing decent traction and handling in most situations. However, they will not perform as well as dedicated winter or summer tires in extreme weather conditions. So, when is the best time to switch from winter tires to summer or all-season tires? As a general rule, you should switch your tires when the temperature consistently stays above 7 degrees Celsius for a few days in a row. This is because winter tires are designed to work best in temperatures below that threshold and may wear out faster or be less effective in warmer weather. However, it's also important to consider the road conditions in your area to avoid swapping your tire prematurely. In this area, we would recommend that you wait a little bit longer before installing summer tires to ensure your vehicle performs safely as we transition out of winter. Whether you choose summer or all-season tires will depend on your specific driving needs and your vehicle. If you have any questions or concerns about tire swapping or would like to book your tire swap, feel free to contact us at Crosby Volkswagen. Thanks for taking the time today. Drive safe.
Volkswagen.